Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Bosmiller chair that this brand sent to me for this video. And I have to say that after trying it for some time, I need to say that this is a pretty comfy chair that is more kind of like tall than I was expecting. So you can see that I'm 5'10", and I can sit perfectly here and put my head in the headrest. But not only that, it's also kind of like a wide chair. So as I was saying before, I'm 5'10" and I weigh 190 pounds, and you can see how much room I still have here. So this chair, things that I like about this chair, I like that it's super padded, like it's cushioned everywhere, like just right here on the headrest, on the sides, some extra cushion on the sides right here as well, some on the sides as well right here. But kind of like in the centerpiece is more firm, and the cushion area is more firm to support all that weight, because this one supports up to 400 pounds. So it's intended to be for heavy people, I want to say, not only because it's wide, it's tall and supports those 400 pounds. It is padded right here on the armrest, and something super cool about the armrest, and you can see how padded this is. So it's like a really big cushion. But something super cool, you can put them right kind of like this in storage position, so you can actually save some space and slide it underneath your desk. I think that's a really good feature. You can't modify the height, but at least you can actually put them in a storage position. I really like the softness of this leather. It's kind of like a really nice and soft leather. It's not something super thick, and like every other chair, for sure you can just modify the height just like this. But something super cool as well is that it comes with a really nice rocking feature. So you can see that now it's locked, but I unlock this, and now I have this really nice rocking recliner slash recliner, because it kind of like it's not staying in a reclining position unless I'm actually putting my feet in the ground or something like that, or on the floor. But it's kind of like a really nice rocking, you know, when you're kind of like trying to chill or something like that. This is a kind of like a really nice feature. Other than that, I think this is a pretty good chair for productivity and home office for sure. It's super comfy. It comes with this really nice and soft leather, and also with the storage position right here in the armrest, and a super nice padding rim, as I was saying before. Lumbar support doesn't have a dedicated lumbar support, but the one that comes with is a really comfy one that's gonna give you like a really nice 90 degrees position when sitting, just like this. And then you just lock the actual recliner or rocking, and you have that really nice position when sitting. I like it. I think it's a super cool one for home office, and if you are a heavy person or something like that, or just need a wide and tall chair, this could be a really good one for you. I like it. I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.